Okay, this amplifier is, you see, Yamaha amplifier, and it is called model updm-k2. Okay, and the back of this Yamaha is PDM, and here is the back. PDM means pulse, what do you call this? This, I don't know, modulation. The M is modulation. Okay. The thickness of this amplifier is only see, you see, only 2 inches. You see, this amplifier is only 2 inches. Okay, now you see the inside, what is in the inside. Okay, how to open this? Maybe this, you need a background music because the neighbor is now music many sounds here, so I need a small background music so the whitey not hitted me because of the background. Okay. Okay, it's so finished. To all my fellow technician, sometimes our customer hated us. That's why, because only the screw is not returned it properly. Some customer hit if the screw is not returned it. So what we do now is just like me, all the screw is here intact. Okay, so we turn it exactly. How to open this? Okay. You see what I saw? Okay. Now this is the inside of the Yamaha UPD. UPDM. Okay. It's very small. And no transformer. You see, no transformer. So my friend said all the transistor is defect and resistor is burning. Where did burning? You see the resistor is burning, and this transistor all is defect. So now we going to remove it and test it. Okay. These are there's our screw. Okay. Too many sounds here. We need the background. Okay, it's finished, and all transistor is all defect. You see, there's burning. So I test it. It is okay, and my friend said it's all short. See, all is short. The transistor now is all, you see, it's all short. So what we do now? All transistor is short. Okay, so we have nothing to do with this kind of amplifier, but we have a remedy. So the remedy here is what? Think. The remedy here is our new universal IC amplifier, and here we go again. So now this is a universal IC amplifier, and we try it to put here. You check the voltage first if it is capable here. Okay. Okay. It is called chopper transformer. There's no transformer. Direct to AC. Okay. I will try if our amplifier is fighting for this kind of supply. Okay. Okay. Put it in here. We check first the power supply. If there is a power supply, all we need here is only the DC voltage. Okay. Okay. Okay, the plug. Plug. Okay. We plug it. Plug it. Okay. Okay, before we plug, put the tester to ×1 or ×10 and lock the filter capacitor if there is a short. So don't plug if there is a short. ×1. Okay. Okay. Now we see. Okay, the filter capacitor is no short and the transistor, the MOSFET. Okay, there is no short, so free to plug. Okay, now we plug it and see what happen. If there is happen. Okay. Okay, power now is plugged. Okay, you see there is a what do you call this? There is a power on. It's already on, and there's power, and see what kind of voltage here in capacitor. We see. Okay. We set our tester into 250 volts DC so that we can check of what kind of voltage and how many voltage. Okay, 250. We'll turn painting. Okay, we check the filter capacitor, the positive and negative. We did not see. Okay, it's see now, but now see now. So positive, negative, no more positive, negative. Oh, no, you see. It's almost 76 volts, 75 volts, 75, 0, common, 70. It's a very big voltage, you see. 75, 0, 75. It's a very big voltage. It's hard to put in here because there's no big voltage. But this kind of what do you call this kind of IC amplifier, universal IC amplifier, the peak voltage of this amplifier is what? 75 volts, and this is the peak voltage. So I try it, put it, if it is okay, because this is the peak voltage of this amplifier is 75 volts, and this is his peak voltage. Okay, I try it. Okay. Now we find out where they put it, because in the demo and testing here. So here. Oh, you see, it's exactly. Oh, okay. Here we put it in here. It's exactly okay. Okay, we find the pleasing my amplifier, my integrated IC amplifier. Okay, here. So now you see. Okay, it's obvious. You see the Yamaha amplifier, and this is the amplifier. We try it if it is okay. Okay, and now we are going to wiring it. Okay, approve. Okay, let's wiring it. This is the Where is the capacitor? Positive to positive. All we need here is the power supply, the 75 volts power supply, and we try our universal IC amplifier if it is fighting for 75 volts. It is okay. Okay. So we try and try until at success. Okay. Okay. Positive. Here is the positive. Here is the other. Other. Okay. Okay. There two. Where is this? And our amplifier is we need the protection. So the protection of this amplifier is we get the here fusible resistor because it's too big. The number of this fusible resistor is 2. Where is that? 2.22 ohms. 22 ohms. Okay. Okay. So that if the one is blown, amplifier is not totally damaged. Okay. Okay. We put the, where did we put the resistor? Here. Maybe here. Okay. Put it in there. Put it in here. Okay. Protection 1 and protection 2. This is only the fusible resistor. Okay. Okay. Negative. This is the negative. So we put the supply here in negative. And this is the positive. We put in here the positive. Okay. Okay. This is the volume. So, okay. This is the volume in. And this is the other is the ground. Volume in and volume ground. Okay, okay. The neighbor is now very many sounds. So volume in, put it in the input of the volume. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, this 3 terminal is in go to the volume. I like this. This is the 1, 2, 3, and this is the 1, and this is the 2, and this is the 3. Like this. 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Like this. This volume is in here. This kind of volume here. This is the volume. Okay. and the center of this volume is go to here, the amplifier, and number 1 is ground, and the number 3 is go to the input. Okay, okay. We need to increase our background because the neighbor is now louder the sounds, so we need our background is louder also. So this is our for the input of the amplifier. You find the negative. Where is the negative? Okay, here is the negative. Here, put it in here, the input. Okay, and find the negative. Where is the negative? Here, negative and the positive. Okay, this is negative. Okay, the speaker where we have no speak on, so we palusot the wire lang here. Okay, this is the speaker turn on where we palusot here. Okay, we put it in here, we put it in there. Okay, you see there. This is the speaker. Okay, now we put tip here. Okay, we put the tip so that it's beautiful seeing. Beautiful seeing. That is beautiful seeing. What time I make vlogging, that's the time the neighbor is making sounds. Very loud sounds. So that's the reason I make a background, and my background is also very louder, because if my background is not louder, the music of the neighbor is now hearing. Okay, this is the speaker. This is the speaker. Now we are finishing. We're finishing the line. Okay, we're finishing the line. This is positive. Okay, checking. Okay, at last, for the first time, the neighbor now off all their sounds. It's now very mingaw. So let's continue. This is the input. Okay, the background now is one decrease because there is no more sounds na. So this is the input, and this is the speaker. Okay, so input, all we need is as is it. Okay, the input there. Where is there? Put it in here. Okay, there, and this is the USB. Okay, the USB is okay. Okay, now we're going to test the input test. Now the amplifier is connected all, and the trailing now is to test if it is okay. Okay, the USB now is functioning. Okay, and now the trailing moment, amplifier on. So where's the power of this amplifier? Where is the power? Now we on the amplifier na to test it what happened. Okay, it is the plug. Now plug, power on. See what happened. Okay, the power now is on, but there's no music. Okay, there's a music. You see? Oh, our amplifier now is working. You see? Okay. Okay, you see? The amplifier now is working. Volume. Volume. Wait. The volume is not really see, but there is the volume, you see? For volume on. Okay. You see? Change the music. Okay, where's the changing of this music? Yeah, the beautiful music. Okay. And this is the volume of amplifier. Okay, the volume is now okay. Okay. You see? Okay. The Yamaha now is working. Volume up. You see? Volume on. You see? Volume. And the music is okay. Okay. You see? Wow, it's pretty good and cool music. This is the Yamaha, and it is, what do you call this? What is the model of this Yamaha? This is Yamaha what is this? updm-k2. Okay. Okay. See? It is now music. The music is now music. Okay, very good. Thumbs up. So, our amplifier now is working with 75 volts. Okay. You see? Very good. Good job. Nice. Proud yourself. Okay. Proud yourself. Okay. This is our new universal IC amplifier capable of all kinds of supply. You see? This is the power supply 75075, but our amplifier is okay. You see? Very good. Okay. Nice. Approve. This is a very thick, only 2 inches amplifier, and the power supply is transformer. This no transformer. I don't know what is called its kind of power supply. It's direct from EC. Okay. Music. Volume. Okay, it's a good volume. Okay. Our amplifier now. This amplifier is fighting for 75075. Now it's fighting for 75075, and we observe it, and we got the transistor. Okay, it is not really hot. It's hot, but it hot, but not really hot. Okay, you see? Okay, very good. Nice. Because this IC, universal IC amplifier is capable for 75075, and that's the peak voltage of this amplifier, 75075, the peak voltage of this universal IC amplifier. Okay, thumbs up naman kayo diyan. Okay. So now we're going to measure the voltage of the amplifier. We put the tester in 250 volts DC. Okay, 240 DC. And Ready we go. Okay. Now we are going to check the voltage of this amplifier now. Okay. 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 Where's the negative here? Ground. Negative. You see? Almost 100 volts. What kind of supply is this? You see? Almost 100 volts. What kind of supply is this? Now the amplifier is fighting to almost 100 volts. I think it is only 75, but it almost 100 volts. 100, 0, 100. Now we observe in a minute. The amplifier is now, it's okay. It's okay. The amplifier is okay in the minute. Okay, see, the peak voltage is 75, but the supply now is going to 100. We observe, we check the transistor. Okay, the transistor now is okay, not very hot. Okay, very good. Volume. Okay. Okay. Volume. Okay, the volume is okay. Nice. Oh, you see? Okay. The music now is gone. Okay. Observe in a few minutes if our universal IC amplifier is now fighting for 75075, it almost 100 volts. Okay. Now let me see if it is okay. 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 We observe in a minute. And that's the transistor if it's okay. Okay. No hitting. It's okay. 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 Approve. Volume. Where's the volume here? Volume. Okay. Oh, volume. Volume on. Okay. And here is of the volume. Okay, on the volume. Okay, very good. Nice. Good job. Nice. Okay, the lights is gone. Okay, now where's the lights? Very good. Okay, now we see that our universal IC amplifier is capable to all kind of supply. This is a transformerless power supply of Yamaha. Okay, until now the transistor is okay, not overheating. You see? We observe in a few minutes, but it's okay. Fighting for 75075. Our amplifier now is fighting 75075, almost 100. Volume. Okay. On. Okay. Volume. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay, Hi to all my beautiful viewers right there in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and to other country of the Philippines. Thanks all for your watching this video and liking this video. Okay? That's all. Next time, see you next time. I vlog another. Okay? Okay. Okay? That's all. Goodbye.